If you don't live in Scottsdale and you're considering surgery with Dr. Parson, this is how he and his team are going to help you prepare. Everyone wants to see the before and after, so here's the before. One of the areas that I was most self-conscious about was my under eye area with all of these fine lines and wrinkles. And here is me now. This is about 3.5 weeks after surgery. I do have makeup on, but you can clearly see that the fine lines and wrinkles are so much better. And my hooded eyelids, which weren't bad hooded, but they were headed that way because that too is genetic for me. Dr. Parson makes the entire fly-in process surprisingly easy because he and his team actually do this fairly frequently. Before you even book your flight, you're going to have a pre-trip consultation with one of the nurses so that you know exactly what to expect and you have plenty of time to ask all of the questions that come up. They're also great about letting you email with questions that come up after because they do. All of your paperwork is handled ahead of time by email, so easy, and the prescriptions are provided in advance. I was able to get antibiotics filled near my house, but the pain meds they can't prescribe out of state, so you'll have to coordinate that with a pharmacy in Arizona. I also recommend staying in Scottsdale and arriving at least 24 hours early so that you can pick up prescriptions. You give yourself time in case anything goes wrong with your flight, which it actually did for me, and I'm so glad I had that much time. But everything is so well thought through. It lets you focus on your recovery and not have to deal with all the details. I chose to travel in from out of state because of the trust and confidence I had in Dr. Parson, and I will absolutely travel in to see him again whenever I decide what my next procedure is going to be.